Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 4 of human resource management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the first step in the recruitment process? A. Job analysis. B. Job posting. C. Selection. D. Interview. The answer for this question is job analysis. Question number 2. Recruitment is considered a dash. A. Negative function. B. Linking activity. C. Costly process. D. Legal recruitment. The answer for this question is B. Linking activity. Question number 3. Which is an internal factor affecting recruitment? A. Labor market. B. Government laws. C. Organizational culture. D. Internet ads. The answer for this question is C. Organizational culture. Question number 4. Which of the following is an external recruitment method? A. Job posting. B. Transfers. C. Employee referral. D. Employment agencies. The answer for this question is D. Employment agencies. Question number 5. What is the main purpose of selection? A. Increase number of applicants. B. Collect applications. C. Choose best fit employee. D. Write job description. Answer for this question is C. Choose best fit employees. Question number 6. Orientation aims to dash. A. Replace training. B. Reduce anxiety. C. Promote employees. D. Evaluate skills. Answer for this question is B. Reduce anxiety. Question number 7. A company wants new idea. Which recruitment source is best? A. Internal. B. Transfer. C. External. D. Seniority based. The answer for this question is C. External. Question number 8. Which method is most suitable for selecting applicants quickly? A. Telephone recruitment. A. Tele recruitment. B. Walk-ins. C. Internship. D. Job fair. The answer for this question is B. Walk-ins. Question number 9. A manager posts vacancies inside the company. That is dash. A. External recruitment. B. Referral. C. Job posting. D. Outsourcing. Answer for this question is C. Job posting. Question number 10. A firm recruits graduates for future roles. What is this? A. Job enlargement. B. Long-term selection. C. Succession plan. D. Outsourcing. The answer for this question is C. Succession planning. Question number 11. Which of the following might hinder internal recruitment? A. Knowledge of company. B. High motivation. C. Inbreeding of ideas. D. Low turnover. The answer for this question is C. Inbreeding of idea. Question number 12. Why make external recruitment demotivate staff? A. Better pay. B. More training. C. No promotional chance. D. External benefits. The answer for this question is C. No promotional chance. Question number 13. In a structured interview, questions are dash. A. Open-ended. B. Based on candidate interest. C. Predetermined. D. Irregular. The answer for this question is C. Predetermined. Question number 14. Which selection test based evaluates current job performance? A. Aptitude. B. Attainment. C. Intelligence. D. Interest. The answer for this question is B. Attainment. Question number 15. Which recruitment strategy is best for fast-growing tech firms needing new idea? A. Seniority promotions. B. Internal job bidding. C. External recruitment. D. Hiring based on loyalty. The answer for this question is C. External recruitment. Question number 16. What is a potential drawback of personality test in selection? A. Limited scope. B. Cost. C. Cultural bias. D. No measurable traits. The answer for this question is C. Cultural bias. Question number 17. Which combination best reduces early turnover? A. Stress interview plus referral. B. Aptitude test plus orientation. C. Background check plus IQ test. D. Job posting plus internal hiring. The answer for this question is B. Aptitude test plus orientation. Question number 18. Why made e-recruitment fail to attract suitable applicants? A. Legal risks. B. No visual contact. C. Too many unqualified applicants. D. Cost of software. The answer for this question is C. Too many unqualified applicants. Question number 19. A stress interview is effective to dash. A. Stress knowledge. B. Test endurance. C. Measure intelligence. D. Reduce cost. The answer for this question is B. Test endurance. Question number 20. What improves employees' fit in team-based jobs? A. Educational level. B. Functional match. C. Low salary. D. Referral system. The answer for this question is B. Functional match. Okay, this is all about question and answer program on chapter 4. Thank you viewers for attending this program.